There are moments in life when the weight of struggle feels unbearable, when hope seems to fade, and when our strength is not enough to carry us through. But in those very moments, prayer becomes our lifeline, an intimate conversation with God. It has the power to transform not only circumstances, but also hearts. History and faith remind us of this truth. Consider Monica, the mother of St. Augustine. For years, she watched her son walk a path far from God, consumed by worldly desires and philosophies. Many might have given up, but Monica didn't. Her tears became prayers. Her sighs became petitions. Day after day, year after year, she pleaded with God for her son's transformation. And in God's perfect time, those prayers bore fruit. Augustine not only turned his life around, but became one of the greatest theologians in Christian history, his mother. His persistent prayers shaping the destiny of millions who would later read his writings. Prayer has also opened doors in impossible situations. George Müller, a man of great faith in the 19th century, cared for thousands of orphans in England. He never once asked people for money. Instead, he prayed. And time after time, when there was no food on the table, God provided, sometimes in the form of a milkman who broke down outside the orphanage, or a baker who felt compelled to bring bread at just the right moment. Even today, countless stories testify that prayer is not wasted breath, is divine power. A sick child healed, a broken marriage restored, a weary heart renewed. Prayer does not always change things instantly, but it always changes us, aligning our will with God's, filling us with peace in the storm, and reminding us that we are never alone. So when you feel helpless, remember, prayer is not the last resort. It is the strongest weapon. Every whispered plea, every tearful cry, every word lifted to heaven is heard by a God who loves and cares. As Scripture says in James chapter 5, verse 16, the prayer of a righteous person is powerful and effective. James chapter 5, verse 16.